Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve this quadratic equation, which at the end of the day is going to give us what we call the almighty formula or the formula method. So at the end of the day, when we solve this, we're going to get this 4ac all over 2a. So basically we want to show that when ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is solved, it gives us this. So let's start. Now we're going to solve this using the completing the square method. And the first step we'll take is to move the constant term across the equality sign. So we're going to get ax squared plus bx equals to minus c. Then the second step is to divide through by the coefficient of x squared, which is a. So this reduces the equation to x squared plus b over ax equals to minus c over a. So at the end of the day, the next step is to add the square of half to the coefficient of x. Remember, I'll take it again. Adding the square of half of the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? B over a. What is half of it? Half of it is simply multiplied by half, and that's going to give me b over 2a. So we're taking the square of it. So we're adding this term to both sides. So it's going to give us x squared plus, we have b over a, this term, x plus b over 2a squared, which is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. Then the next step we're going to take is to factorize this. Okay, we're just going to simplify this. This is x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared. So I'm just going to pick this term, x plus b over 2a all squared equals to minus c over a plus the square of b is b squared, while the square of 2a is 4a squared. Okay, so you might be wondering how we came about this. Yes, if we expand this particular term, it's going to give us this. So I'm going to quickly show that here. X plus b over 2a times x plus b over 2a. This is simply going to give us, if I multiply this x squared, this is plus b over 2ax plus b over 2ax plus b over 2a all squared. So at the end of the day, this is x squared plus 2b over 2ax plus b over 2a all squared. So this 2 cancels out, and we're left with what? X squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared. So you see, so that's what we just showed now. So going back to our calculation, our proof, then we are gonna, okay, let's continue from here. X plus b over 2a squared equals to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. So what do we have? Now I'm going to rearrange the right hand part. I have x plus this squared equals to b squared 4a squared minus c over a. Now let me just quickly make this a single fraction. So this is now going to become b squared minus 4ac. So this is equal to x plus b over 2a squared. Now the next step is to take the square root of both sides. And when we take the square root of both sides, this square disappears. So it's going to be x plus b over 2a equals to the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And of course, a plus or minus. Then the next thing is we're going to move this term the other side. It becomes minus b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. Now 4a squared is a perfect square, so it gives us the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of a squared is a. So this is x equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we've been able to show that when ax squared plus bx plus c is solved, we get x equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared all over 2a. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.